Okay guys, I have the Vauxhall Corsa and I want to show you how to replace the front brake pad. Okay, the car is 2008 and I want to show you how we can do that yourself actually. Okay, and see the inside. As the brake pad low is on the limit. And okay, just what you should do. Okay, leave a screwdriver here and just push it. Okay. When you completely push it back, and then need to open this one actually. Okay, that's number 13. Okay, and now let's bring it up and remove the brake pad. It's not finished completely, but she's come for the MOT and they say we give you advice for change the brake pad actually. Okay, and that one can as well. Okay, here you are. The key is not bad. You can use this again. And okay, let me just bring this new brake pad. Okay, this brake pad here. Okay, and this one just need to push it back. Okay, it's not going because this one is still out. Okay, just give me 2 seconds, I'll come back again. Okay, I'll push it back and we can use it again. Okay, and this one, look at this. Okay, that's it. And please, if you love, just subscribe me please, and for next video, see you again. Thank you.